This is love at first sight. Have you ever been to a place where you instantly fell in love sa sobrang ganda ng place na yon? Traveling to Northern Blossom Atak Benguet and Sagada Mountain Province was really worth it. It took us 6 hours para makarating ng Northern Blossom. Those who journey to these highlands rarely return unchanged. The people here have taught me that wealth isn't measured by what you accumulate, but by what you appreciate. There is something transformative about walking among the living tapestry of wildflowers here in Atok. I have traveled to many places, but there's something special about standing here. It's what you feel. Yung connection between people and their landscape. It's very visible. Aabutin ka din ng ilang oras para malibot mo yung buong Northern Blossom. Kasi sobrang laki niya, sobrang ganda din ng mga spots talaga na gugustuhin mong magpicture sa lahat ng flower station. Paikot nga siya, so iba yung way ng exit. Here you will have free coffee and bread. The comfort room was near the exit. Sulit and very worth it. We started traveling again para nga makarating kami ng Sagada before mag-sunset. It will be another 6 hours drive pero worth it naman kasi ganito yung view na madadaanan nyo kahit na nakakahilo yung zigzag. And we're finally here. This is Blue Lagoon, guys. We went here the next day kasi sobrang pagod na nga kami sa biyahe. And I guess hanggang dito na lang muna. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.